Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking our scooter on a little night ride around the block. So I just, as you probably know, I started a new channel called GV Rides. We're going to be doing obviously riding content like we're doing now. So right now we're going 11 miles an hour, which ain't bad. I feel like we can go a little bit faster than that. Oh shoot, look at this. Oh, yeah, I wouldn't have made that. We're gonna put this on, not that, we're gonna put this on sport mode. And this thing tops out at 19 in sport mode. We're gonna take it up the block here. Like I said, this thing goes 19 miles an hour in sport mode. So right now we're cruising at about 15. Which, this isn't bad, by the way. This is good, like, if you want a starter scooter. Which, this is my second electric scooter that I've ever had. I had a Razor E300S, I believe. And that didn't do so good for me. So, yeah, we got this bad boy. But we're just gonna take this back around. This thing handles really well. I don't want to test it right now because I'm obviously on the streets, and if I fall while I'm in the street, that would not be so good. But yeah, this thing goes pretty fast. Cruising at about neighborhood speeds, 16 miles an hour. But this thing can get up to speed pretty quickly on a full charge. But yeah, this is really nice. Oh god, I just went through a manhole. But this is really nice. But dude, it feels so good riding this at night. But it is really cold out, so right now I am like wearing winter gloves. Oh god, gotta watch out for that. Oh god, that's really bumpy. Yeah, we're still cruising at about 15-ish, which isn't bad for what this cost. This cost me like $140, but it was on sale, so I think retail it's like $250, which, like I said, this is not bad if you just want to go on rides like this. I think the range on this one is 15 miles and the top speed is 19 miles. I think the park down there is actually closed, so I'm not gonna go down there. I was gonna go down there to the park. But yeah, really nice scooter. I'm gonna stop behind this car here. We're gonna wait till the light turns green. I'm actually gonna make a left as well, so let's do that. Let's go ahead and make a left. Pretty not so wide left I just did there. They're gonna have to pass that truck up there. Amazon! Yup, see, they're passing. And on this road you can literally pass anybody because there's dashed lines. I'm gonna actually ride the line right here without macking. Oh god. But we're gonna make a left here. This road is really narrow, so I'm gonna watch out here. There's New York up in the distance. The views of New York here are amazing. I'm literally starting to get cold already. That's a big Santa. Salt on the road there. Oh god. That did not sound good. What was that? Oh my god, my phone fell off. Dude, these potholes, man, I swear. Is my phone good? Oh, thank god. I don't think I locked it on the thing here. Alright, I think I locked it. Then there's ice on the road there too, which you also gotta watch out for. But this has a headlight. I believe this also has cruise control. Has really nice brakes too. We're gonna get back on. Has really nice brakes. Just to make sure, I'm gonna go see if the park is open, which it's probably not. because they close it every once in a while. Oh yeah, these bumps here are insane. These potholes, oh god. But yeah, let's go check if the park is open. I doubt it is, because I think, hey Siri, what time is it? It's 6:45. It's probably not closed actually. We could go check. We'll spin around. It's not this park, by the way. It's this over here. I thought I just cut a car off. Here, we'll spin around over here. We'll see if it's open. It doesn't look like it is because the field lights aren't on. But yeah, we'll just take a quick peek at the gate here. Yeah, it's closed. I knew it. I knew it'd be closed. I knew it. But yeah, it's closed. You get a really nice view of New York here, which is phenomenal. We're gonna spin around. We're gonna make a U-turn. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go here. But yeah, my scooter is starting to drain its battery. It has 3 bars left, so I believe that's 60% battery. I don't know. I'm gonna move over. But yeah, there is a parking garage here. I don't know if I would be trespassing if I went in there, so I'm not gonna take the risk. Yeah, I see the trespassing sign. I would go in there, but I wouldn't at the same time, because trespassing, obviously. There's a car behind me. So, to the right. But yeah, that is going to be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. I will be making more scooter videos with this scooter. And yes, if you would like the link to this scooter, let me know. It is a VOLPAM. I don't know the model, but it is a VOLPAM. Really affordable scooter. I believe I got this with Prime, so it was a little bit cheaper. That sewer smelled, ugh, I hate that. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.